Hey there, welcome back to another Sunday range day. This Sunday we've got the American Classic, the 1022, the just standard old everyday run of the mill 1022. And we did an unboxing on this one. And yeah, good guns, great rifles for what they are. This one, as you can see, has no magazine in it. Safety's on. There's not even anything in the chamber. So it's safe for handling. Absolutely clear. No ammunition's present. So yeah, I like the wood stocks on these. There's not a lot to say. If you've seen one, you've basically seen them all on these 1022s. But we've got some good stuff in store for this 1022. But I wanted to bring it and introduce it into a Sunday range day before I did what I wanted to do to it. Yeah, this is going to be eventually sporting a different barrel, and yeah. So we'll see where we can get with this. And but today it's all about the standard classic 1022 Ruger. Let's get to it. Okay, here we go. We're loaded up, and I've got the regular old dump box auto match here. And first shots, guys, I've not even fired this rifle. I don't know where it hits or anything. We set up a target out there at 25 yards, or 20 yards, I'm sorry. 25 is the still line. But you know what, let's give it the best chance it can have, and we'll go off a rest. Just make it fair. See what this will do. First shots. Oops. I think I already had it ready to go, huh? It's all good, though. 9 shots then. And we'll see if it'll, out of the box, come close to the bull. And that was all 9. So let's see. Gun is safe now. What kind of grouping we got? Excellent. Look at that. Now, honestly, out of the box grouping, that is pretty good. I mean, we're, you know, an inch above the black ish, maybe a little less than that, but not bad at all. Now let's get this out of the way, and you can see out here that I brought my own. This is my personal spinner. So I call it my long arm spinner because this was set up not to spin, more to hit on the rebound, if that makes sense. I didn't want it to sit and spin and have to wait on it. That's my point with the design of this one. But we'll try it at this one and see what we can do from that distance. This is 25 now. All right, let's see if we can swing a spinner. This is 5 more yards out than what the target was, but I can kind of make a guesstimate off that target. And we'll see if we can make contact here today. We'll try the one on the left first. Go to the right. Oh. All right, let's give it 10 more. I'm getting the hang of it right toward the end of that last one. Good hit on that one. Well, it is fun, I'll give it that. All right, too much fun. Got to try it again. 10 more rounds. Here we go. I think I've got the hang of this. I think. So let's see. Yeah, man. Just gonna get the knack of it. It's pretty good. Okay, right off the bat, I was shooting too high. So I was shooting the rod there, the rebar. So I had to adjust on that last grouping, and then we was knocking it around. That was pretty good aiming right there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Now let's shoot some fun stuff. All right, now let's see if we can knock out this can of baked beans with the 1022. Oh gosh, he's just a lunatic. All right, let's see if we can knock him out there. All right, let's see what we can do. The old classic 1022 here. 3, 2, 1. Easy enough. Rifle is safe and clear. Out the back on it. Oh, right in the eye. I try to turn the face towards the remote camera, so it's center, but it's a little off there. We got him. Let's do it again. Why not? Second shot in 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, this big one. There we go. About the same area. Good hit. Now I've got a can of mystery here. Let's see if we can knock that out and bring this thing in for a landing. Okay, here we go. Little can of mystery in 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Perfect little hole. That's yeah.
It landed perfect too.
Yeah, it's definitely beef stew, but yeah, we got it. And there you have it, guys. Pretty decent accuracy. Good stuff with this American Classic for sure. Next time you see it, it'll be a lot different for sure. But in the meantime, let me know what you think about 1022s down below. Do you like the classics? Do you like the tubbed out target models? Do you like the, long range stuff? What's your thing with the 1022? Welcome all comments. Thanks guys for watching. That was a fun one. Till the next one, take care of yourself.